Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you a 613 headband wig. This is actually made with the black headband as per client's requirement, and usually we use the blonde headband. And this is 20 inches, and you can see it's very silky and very smooth, very silky 613 hair. And very nice and full as well. So we can make all the headband wig in all type of hair, Remy or virgin hair, and we can make in different texture as well. So you can place your order on our website, or if you have any special requirement, you can also contact us on WhatsApp to place your order. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you want the best hair, natural color, blonde color, or all type of wig, you can feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.